Are you tired of that solo business grind? Wearing every single hat, from CEO all the way down to marketing intern? Well, the smartest entrepreneurs out there, they're not just hiring massive teams anymore. They're building digital empires with a suite of powerful AI tools that work for them 24/7. And I'm about to show you exactly how they're doing it.
So the real question isn't if you should be using AI. It's how you're going to orchestrate it to get that crazy exponential growth. It's time to stop working in your business and start designing the automated systems that work for you. I have gone through all the noise to bring you the absolute best of the best. And look, these aren't just apps. Think of them as your new digital employees, ready to fill every role from creative director to your chief of operations. This is the ultimate power toolkit for scaling your business in 2026.
All right, first up, the one you probably already know, ChatGPT. But it's time to stop thinking of it as just a simple chatbot. You need to start seeing it as your indispensable all-around creative assistant. It's the ultimate generalist, ready to handle pretty much any communication task you throw at it. And here's the best part. The free version is an absolute powerhouse.
I mean, think about it. From generating a dozen new product names in seconds, to drafting entire business plans, writing ad copy that actually converts, or creating a whole month's worth of social media content, ChatGPT single-handedly crushes about 80% of an entrepreneur's daily creative work, and it often won't cost you a single dime.
But what happens when you need more than a fast, creative generalist? What if you need a strategist? Well, that's when you bring in number 2, Claude. Think of Claude as your deep dive specialist. This is the AI you use for the real heavy lifting, like analyzing dense reports, writing grant proposals, or checking complex business logic.
So, how do you choose? It's actually really simple. Use ChatGPT for speed, for brainstorming, for getting those first drafts out the door fast. But when you need to analyze a 100-page market report or write a serious grant proposal, you turn to Claude for that strategic depth.
Okay, now that you have your creative and strategic partners, you need intelligence. And for that, meet Perplexity AI, your dedicated research assistant. Instead of you scrolling through 20 different browser tabs, Perplexity just sifts through the entire web and gives you direct, summarized answers to your most critical business questions. It's your personal intelligence hub, delivering the data you need to make smart decisions fast.
And what truly sets Perplexity apart? The citations. Every single answer is backed by verifiable sources. As an entrepreneur, this is non-negotiable, right? You're not building your strategy on a guess. You're building it on facts. This tool delivers that confidence.
So, you've done your research. Now what? You need a place to make sense of it all, and that's Google's Notebook LM. See, unlike other AIs that search the public internet, Notebook LM works exclusively with the documents you upload. Your data stays private, and its answers are grounded only in your information, making it your own personal expert on your business. And this is where the magic happens. You can upload all your research, customer interviews, and notes, and with just one click, generate an audio overview. The AI literally creates a podcast-style conversation between two hosts discussing your material. It's an incredible way to synthesize information and instantly turn that dry data into engaging content.
At number 5, we have the glue that holds your entire AI operation together, Zapier. Think of it as the central nervous system for your business. It connects all your different apps and creates automated workflows. So for example, when a customer buys a product, Zapier can automatically add them to your email list, send a welcome sequence, and create a task for you and your project manager. All of it happens without you lifting a finger.
Now, if Zapier is the nervous system, then Notion AI is your company's shared brain. This is your all-in-one workspace for project management, team wikis, content calendars, you name it. And with AI now baked right in, it can summarize long meeting notes, instantly draft project proposals, and keep your entire operation beautifully organized and perfectly in sync. Next up, let's talk about marketing. Gone are the days of needing expensive cameras, studios, or video agencies. With the latest AI tools, you have an entire production studio right on your laptop, ready to create professional-grade video and audio whenever you want. And this just illustrates the new reality perfectly. Take a tool like Synthesia. You can create polished training videos or product explainers with a realistic AI avatar just by typing a script. It's perfect for onboarding new clients or employees at scale. Then for your audio, a tool like Murph can generate these incredibly realistic human-sounding voiceovers for your ads and online courses in dozens of languages. Together, these tools give you the power of a whole media company with none of the overhead.
For all the non-technical founders out there, this one is for you. AI coding assistants are basically your new in-house developers. You no longer have to hire a costly agency or learn to code yourself. Modern tools can build functional websites, custom apps, and high-converting landing pages from simple, plain language descriptions. You just describe your vision, and the AI brings it to life. Have a huge investor meeting tomorrow and no pitch deck? No problem. AI presentation makers are your secret weapon. These tools integrate directly into platforms like Google Slides and can take a simple document of your raw notes and automatically design a polished, visually stunning presentation in just minutes. You get to focus on the story while the AI handles all the design. And finally, for any entrepreneur who lives in the Microsoft ecosystem, Copilot is an absolute must-have. It's not a separate app. It's embedded directly into Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. Imagine it instantly summarizing a 50-chain email thread right before a call, or analyzing a complex spreadsheet to find key trends with just a simple question. It is the ultimate productivity supercharger for your day-to-day workflow. Okay, so having these tools is one thing, but the real secret to building an empire isn't just using them individually. It's about integrating them into a powerful automated system, what we call a productivity stack.
Here's a simple but incredibly effective stack you can use today. Start with Perplexity to research your market. Then, upload that research into Notebook LM to analyze it and generate a content plan. Finally, use Zapier to automate the distribution of that content across all your platforms. Research, create, automate. Simple, powerful, and so effective.
And we're not talking about making small, little improvements here. When you stack these tools correctly, you are creating a system that delivers a tenfold increase in your productivity and your output. You're building a machine that literally works for you around the clock.
So let's be clear. Building an AI-powered business isn't some futuristic idea anymore. It's a present-day necessity for anyone who actually wants to compete and win. You now have access to the same kind of leverage that massive corporations have, and it's right at your fingertips.
This quote just says it all. This isn't about replacing people, it's about augmenting your own abilities. It's about giving you, the entrepreneur, the leverage to achieve what was once only possible for these huge corporations. The toolkit is here. The roadmap is clear. Your AI empire is waiting to be built. The only question left is, what will you build first?